What the fuck? Babe? No. Well, might as well turn it on. Breaking news! Tomorrow at our... We're at? No, it's not gonna be at his house. Of course not. At the town square tomorrow, there's gonna be an annual celebration for our hero, Ryan, and his... Was that a dog? His dog. So tomorrow at 1 p.m., make sure to go celebrate with him for the saving of our city and the zoo. We'll see y'all tomorrow. Patricia, back to you with the weather. What the fuck? I'm gonna kill him. And I need to get to it now.
Me?
No, not you, dude.
Oh, okay.
Hey, can you do me a favor?
Sure.
Pretend I'm here, alright?
Okay.
I give you extra money. Oh, yes. I'm scared. What if they judge me?
Don't be nervous. You're a hero now, definitely not your pig, right? I know
Right.
the truth.
What?
But anyway, you did good. You had guts.
I know.
Show them your guts and not your dick.
We should get on to it.
Yeah, let's go.
It's that time again. Here at 1 o'clock, we'll be now showing the presentation of Ryan, the Purple Heart Sheriff. So let's go over there to the town hall and do the broadcast.
Welcome, everybody, to our hero ceremony for Mr. Ryan, the man who single-handedly saved my city and also town.
Hey guys, I'm Ryan.
Anyway, I'd like to reward you with this brand new limited edition iPhone 16.
Oh my god! Thank you so much. I know.
What the fuck? Oh shit, he just saw something. Get down.
What happened?
Get down!
You dropped my phone, you ass!
You dumb fuck, so I was trying to kill you.
Who would try to kill me?
Maybe it was an ape.
What's with you in the session with the ape?
Fuck you. Someone got shot already.
Well, do we wait for cover or what?
Yo, fuck! We gotta get out of here. Where's your house?
About 5 miles away from here.
Good road,
Fuck, man. Missed my damn shot. I'll just wait for him here. Strangle him. Yeah, that's what I'll do. Let's go. Holy fucking shit! Today, at our introduction of Ryan, the local hero, a Mexican shot dead today. His name was John Chris Salinas Hernandez Lopez Martinez Perez Ramirez Flores Rodriguez III. Damn! Anyways, he got shot dead today. We'll get to the case with Detective who? Detective Ryan. Here we go with the case.
What? Was that the sped kid that they let have a job?
No. You lied.
Oh, shit. Well, my name is Detective Jones, and, we believe that our local hero, Ryan, is being targeted by somebody. We've got on our research that his name is Aaron, and, he was supposedly dead. He got killed by that fucking ape. Fucking weak. Anyway, This is his picture, right here. You see that? That's him. If you see him, please call 1-800 Crime Stoppers.
Can't believe I made that out alive.
Don't jinx it, mate.
Well, let's get inside before we get shot. So, do we just wait for a news report?
I don't fucking know. Wait, Ryan,
What?
when we came in, why was the door unlocked?
Hold that thought. I'll be right back.
I'm gonna sit here alone.
Hope that's not the killer. Go ahead and look through. Huh. Hello?
I'm detective.
Oh, Zach.
Hurry up, let's go. Come on, come on.
Dingleberry. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. What happened to General Dick? Oh. Ready to die. No. Oh my god. I can't believe I'm gonna die like this. Where is the detective?
Forgive. Get off my plane.
What plane? Damn, nice shot.
That's how we do it where I'm from.
Thanks for saving my life, man.
Of course, it's my job.
Now we just gotta get General Dingleberry to the ambulance.
Alright, I'm gonna take him to the ambulance and I'm gonna go to the news.
Alright, I'll be right back.
Come on, fucker.
Holy fucking shit! Today, we just learned that the killer of the Ryan murder scene is now dead, shot by Detective Dickinson.
That goddamn retard. Anyway, Detective Jones here. I murked his ass. I shot his ass dead. One fucking shot right to the dome. I got his ass. He's lucky. He's so fucking lucky I killed him that quick. I'd have thrown him to that ape again. Yep, that's the case. I'm gonna go have me a beer.